I'd like to introduce a new capability we're developing called location tracking that will allow users to share their current and previous locations as they go about their day. We've been working with sites, gathering their requirements and scenarios. I'd like to take you through one of those scenarios now to show how location tracking can help you make better decisions and recognize patterns. The scenario is a homeless count in the city of Portland, Maine. The goal of this scenario is to ensure that all of the mobile users performing the count cover the targeted area to make sure that no one is unaccounted for. Because we're using location tracking, we're able to follow everyone throughout the count. We also have additional information for each of them, such as the last time they moved, their speed, and their activity, which could be values such as driving, not moving, or in this case, walking. But we've got more. We also have a record for where every user has gone throughout the count. These are the location tracks. Analyzing this data, we can see that there's a missed area. There's several blocks in the center of the city that we haven't covered. We can now coordinate with our users to make sure this is taken care of. Let's head from the back office to the field so I can show you how easy it'll be to enable location tracking on all of your mobile devices. This is the new location tracking app. Simple and lightweight, the app is designed for low battery use and efficiency. It's a simple solution. Start the app, share my location, and get to work. We're seeing my tracks for today, here in San Diego, covering my walk from the hotel to the convention center this morning. But we also have access to my tracks for the last 3 days, so we can see where I went yesterday, for example. If I'm in an area that doesn't have Wi-Fi or cell coverage, the app will continue to record my tracks and keep them on the device. When I'm in an area that has coverage, the tracks are uploaded regularly. There's nothing I need to do. Whether I'm actively using the app or it's running in the background, I can set my own personal schedule. It's important to know when I'm sharing my location, and it's just as important to be confident that my location is not shared during off hours. ArcGIS apps work together, and location tracking works across the apps. In Collector, I can see my tracks right next to the data that I'm collecting, so I can see where I've been as I've gone about my day. Security and access to location tracks is important. Stored in your organization, the data is secured. Users only see their tracks, with additional permissions required to see the tracks of others. This is a preview of what we're working on for location tracking, which is coming to ArcGIS Enterprise and online. We're excited to talk to you about it this week and hear your ideas for using this capability in your work. Thanks. Madeline?
Next, we'd like to show you another one of our new native mobile applications coming later this year, Arcgis and Doors. Let's imagine it's my first day on the job, working as an airline employee at LAX. I'm still learning my way around the international terminal. I can use Arcgis and Doors to see where I am and what's around me. I can also pull up my schedule, which is synced to my Outlook calendar, to see what gates I've been assigned to and where they are on the map. Selecting my first gate assignment, the app zooms to the gate's location and pulls up additional information about the point of interest. I can route to it from my current location and get an estimated arrival time and directions. Arcgis and Doors is a new solution product focused on indoor mapping, coming later this year. So now that we're familiar with the inside of LAX, let's go outside. My colleague Adrian and I will show how we can use the Arcgis Runtime AR/VR beta to continue exploring the terminal in a more immersive environment. As Adrian is moving his tablet, the model of the terminal stays locked into place. We can swivel around and even crouch down to get a different view of the model. The Arcgis Runtime application allows us to perform a viewshed analysis. The areas in green represent what can be seen from the cameras placed outside of the terminal, interacting with the cars in the scene in real time. Let's take it a step further and drop down to Street View, stopping traffic to explore. Navigating this 3D environment in AR is easy and natural and makes you feel like you're really there. We can use a line of sight analysis, and when a camera can see us, the corresponding tab at the bottom turns green, leaving us immersed in the analysis and the experience. The Arcgis Runtime AR/VR beta program is available for you to join today, bringing your GIS data into a truly 3D immersive environment. Thank you.